Hello guys, and thank you for watching this video from Plant Design Team. In this video you will learn how to work with your middle mouse button and how you add and remove elements to the draw list. From your members window you will see the elements that are already created. For adding this, just simply click on each single item, and from the top icon you can click on the add current element to the draw list. You will see that the element will add it to draw list window. This members has a different element based on the elements that created or generated before. So for adding this, there is another option that you can go to draw list menu, and from that click on the add CE. These are the different options for adding stored element to here. As discussed, there is another important window called Design Explorer. On that Design Explorer you can also expand to the elements that you want to see or add, and from the hierarchy you will find it, right click 3D view and add that element to the draw list. These two windows works same and works together. These are different hierarchies for each element that we'll discuss about this later. It depends to elements that you want to work on, that you will click on the current element and will add it to the draw list. For adding these elements, there is another option which you can add the elements with the specific color that you choose from the database. For that, just click on draw list and add CE with color, and simply just click on the elements that you want with adding the color option to the draw list. These are different options for adding the elements to the draw list. If you don't click on adding option with the color, the elements will add to the draw list will defined color set up by admin. There is an important item on that. The definition and term of that would be owner. Owner is one upper level from the elements. For example, when you are on a zone, the upper level would be site. When you are on a site, the upper level would be word. And these items we'll discuss later when we're creating these hierarchies. But for now, if you want to add the owner of the element, just click on that, and from draw list menu you can add owner. If you add the site, which is the top level of the elements, it will take time to see that. So now we are talking about the middle mouse button. Three major things for pan, zoom and rotate would be the action of middle mouse button, which is highlighted in vertical icon bar. So when you click on each single of these, you can specify which action you want to do for the middle mouse button. And always, if you scroll down and scroll up, this would be the zoom in, zoom out action for the scrolling of the middle mouse button. So same thing that we discussed about the add would be highlighted for remove. Remove means hiding element from the desktop and draw list. It still stores in the database, but you won't see that one. There is an option for remove CE, which means remove current element, remove owner, which remove the one upper level of the elements, and remove all. These are three options that you can choose for hiding the elements which created before from your draw list. So when you remove owner, it goes to one upper level of the elements and it removes that level. If you remove all, it means that every elements are still created and stored in the database, but you won't see any elements here in the draw list. So there's a difference between remove and add. And also there's a different element between remove and delete. Remove means the items already created, still on the database, but you won't see that. But if you highlight it or click on the delete, which we discuss about this later, you need to have permission from admin to access for deleting the elements, and also it will delete from draw list and from the database. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to our channel. Stay safe.